Hi everyone, my name is Harry and I'm a teacher here at Greenwich College. Have you got any plans to stay in Australia after you finish your English course? Maybe you're going to do a certificate or a diploma at a vocational college like Greenwich Management College or Greenwich Hospitality College. Did you know that Greenwich has many partner colleges here in Australia? Our partner schools accept students without an official English test, such as IELTS, Cambridge and Pearson. Many Greenwich students go on to study at Greenwich Management College and Greenwich Hospitality College. Vocational or VET courses require a very strong level of English, but also academic skills such as critical thinking, researching, essay and report writing. To help our students, Greenwich has designed a course that is specifically for students who want to study in VET after their English. This course is called English for Vocational Studies, or EVS. So what is EVS? EVS is a 10-week course divided into 2 cycles. Each cycle is 5 weeks, and students can start studying every 5 weeks. However, students must study for the full 10 weeks of the course. Each cycle has a written and oral assessment and a test. This course is like a vocational or a university course, so you must successfully complete the assessments in order to pass the course. EVS will help you increase your knowledge and use of grammar and vocabulary while building your skills step by step, so you can complete assessments in the style expected in VET courses. This course will not only improve your English, but also help you be as successful as possible when you start your VET course. There are also many practical skills that you learn in EVS, which are essential for both VET study and real-life work situations, such as effective time management, collaboration and delegation, leading a meeting, and analysing data to make recommendations. In addition, if you're planning to study at one of our pathway partners, and if you successfully pass this course, you can enter into a VET course without doing an official English test. Remember that EVS is a closed course, so no holidays or timetable changes once you start. If you decide to study EVS, you must study for the full 10 weeks. So, if you think this is the right course for you, talk to Student Services and complete a change form.